This concludes our podcast for today. I am your host, Kevin Culp, Software Principal and Chief Architect. I hope you found our podcast informative. Please subscribe to our SuperCloud Composer YouTube studio channel to receive notification of new SCC video content. You can connect to the following URLs presented to you on this podcast to learn more about SuperCloud Composer. Search the SCC white paper and SCC solution brief for more detail. SCC version 1.1 and SCC version 1.2 plus a thorough documentation have been uploaded to our service portal for your convenience. Start your journey today. We are your global passport to the enterprise. Thank you for joining, and I hope you have a wonderful day.